Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper of Monday, October the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the binary. We have not so good news for today because we have no extra puzzles, no additional for the evening. So only these three regular puzzles. News of today, well, it's 380 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still going on. Alright, enough about the war. Let me start with this one. Number 9466666. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Here one, there one. 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 Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. And double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Then between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two ones comes in O. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1. Of course, between two O's comes an 1. Then double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double ones, here no, there no. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. If we place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in this in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes in O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to compare now. Yeah, I think we need to compare. The question is which column or which rows? Well, this row, the first row, and the fourth row. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 anti-box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O then. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Okay, now this column or these rows need to compare again. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, let me see. Double ones. Oh no, not the same. How about here the doubles? We have a double O here, one here. Overlook this. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1 2 3 4 5. Correct. In 7 minutes. We solve it again. Only one time comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it as well myself. Thank you again for watching. And we will see you tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.